Hi, welcome to another food and nutrition class. Today, we'll be talking about fruits. Yes, we're looking at fruits today. A lot of you love fruits, so is that not? We all love fruits. I love fruits. I know you love fruits as well. So we're looking at what fruits are and some other things about fruits. So come along with me while we learn about fruits. Now, at the end of this class, I will expect that you should be able to define fruits, give me some group of fruits that we have. Then you should be able to tell me the nutritive value of fruits, and then what are the factors you need to consider when you want to choose fruits. You can't just go to the market and buy any kind of fruits you like. So there are some things you need to look out for when choosing fruits. Okay, so what are fruits, or what is fruits? You can see fruits around you anywhere you go to. When you go to the market, you see fruits. Even in your freezer, at home, anywhere you see fruits around. Okay, so what is fruit? A fruit is a fleshy, seed-bearing plant, part of a plant. Yes, a fruit is a fleshy, seed-bearing part of a plant. Mostly all trees or plants have fruits. Yes, when they grow up, when they grow, they bring out fruits. Now, it is the complete structure formed by a ripened ovary of flowering plants. So we have quite a lot of fruits around. Can anybody among us mention some fruits that we have seen around, or can you mention any fruits you like? Okay, like let me tell you my best fruits. Okay, my best fruit is mango. Okay, so can we begin to mention our fruits? We have pawpaw, okay, pineapple, we have apple, we have grape, we have lemon, we have orange, quite a lot of them. Okay, those are fruits. Don't forget they are seed bearing parts of a plant. Now let's look at the nutritive value of fruits. But before we go into the nutritive value, let's look at the group of fruits that we have. You'll be surprised to know that we have two groups of fruits. Yes, two groups of fruits. Okay, the first group are the fresh fruits. The fresh fruits. Yes, those are examples are soft fruits like banana, guava, berries. How many of you have eaten banana before? Yes, quite a lot of us have eaten bananas. And you see how soft it is. Yes, banana when it is ripened is very soft. Then under fresh fruit, we also have hard fruits. Hard fruits like apple, mango. Yes, they are hard fruit. We have peas. Yes, they are hard, a bit strong when they are beaten by the teeth. Then we have citrus. Citrus examples of citrus are oranges, lemon, grapefruit. Yes, they are all citruses. Then we have the second group of fruits, which are dried fruits. Yes, we have examples as figs, we have prunes, and so on and so forth. We have their examples of fruits. So we have two kinds of fruits, or we call it two groups of fruits. We have the fresh fruits, and then we have the dried fruits, the fresh fruit and the dried fruit. Now we have examples of fresh fruit as soft fruits, hard fruits, and citrus. Good. Now let's look at the nutritive value of fruits. What benefits does fruits do in the body? When we take fruits, what are we benefiting from fruits? That's the meaning of nutritive value of fruits in the body. Now, they supply mineral salts in the body. Yes, one of the nutrients needed so much in the body is mineral salts, though in micronutrients, in micro elements. It's a micro element. Mineral salt is a micro element. That means they are needed in what? Good, in small quantity. So, mineral salts is one of the benefits we derive from fruits. Then fruit also provide organic acid, which make them sour. So after some time, you find out that some of these fruits get sour. Why? It's because they have some organic acid in them that make them sour. Then they provide roughages. Roughages is needed in the body. Yeah, we need roughages from especially fruits like oranges. Yes, they need those roughages from fruits like oranges. Yes, so fruits provide us with roughages, and they are also rich on vitamin C. Yes, actually, I told you the example of soft food is citrus. Now, those citrus they give us vitamin C, especially pineapple, orange, and guava. All right. So more nutritive value of fruits. We have some other nutritive value of fruits. He said they are rich in CHO, carbohydrates, that's in form of sugar, cellulose, and starch. Yes, they are rich in carbohydrates. CHO stands for carbon. H stands for what? Hydrogen. And O stands for what? Oxygen, yes. Now, in form of sugar. Now, the sugar we find in fruits is very good for the body. They contain small quantity of carotene and vitamin B group. Yes, we have the B complex. Yes, B1, B2, B3, and so on and so forth. So they contain vitamin B group. So we have the B group up to what? B12. Yes. Now we have ripe fruits contain no starch or sugar, such as fructose and glucose. Now we don't have sugar, that's table sugars, in fruits, but it contains sugars such as fructose in the form of fructose and glucose. And glucose and fructose are essential nutrients or mineral elements needed in the body. Now they supply some mineral salts as well, just like I said before. So those are the nutritive value of fruit. Now let's look at the factors. What are those things we need to consider when we want to buy fruits? Do we just go to the market, see any fruits on the table or on display, and then pick it up and come back home? Okay, so what do we do when we want to buy fruits? Now, we must watch out for freshness. The fruit must be fresh enough before we buy it. Then they must be free from insect infestation. Yes, you must not buy a fruit that is infested by insects. Then they must not be overripe. Yes, when they are over ripening, then they won't last for a long time, and then the nutritive value would have reduced. Then they must be firm to touch. Yes, fruits like guava, oranges, and even especially all fruits generally, watermelon. When you touch them, they must be firm. Banana must not be too soft when you touch. That means they're already over ripening. Then fruit in season, we must consider fruit in season too. Don't go and buy a fruit that is already out of season. When those fruits are out of season, their nutritional value has also reduced due to storage and some other reasons. But when you buy fruit in season, yes, the freshness is there and the nutritional value is in is very high. So we have fruits like banana. When you find out that banana, pawpaw, citrus, and carrots, they are common during the dry season. So this period that we have now, we have carrots. I love carrots so well as well. I love carrots. So this period we have carrots. Then we have banana. Then during the rainy season, we have fruits like mangoes and guava. They are common during the rainy season. So when you want to get your fruit, make sure you get the fruits that are in season. Now, how do we prepare and serve our fruits? We have different ways we can prepare and serve our fruit. You can serve them raw. Yes, raw fruits can be served. Fruits can be served raw when they are ripe. Most of the nutrients, especially vitamin C, are retained and consumed. Yes, when you're serving your fruit raw, it's very, very good because the nutrients are still there and they are retained. So you can dice them, slice raw, you can serve whole. We have different ways you can serve our fruit. You can have a fruit ring, you can have a fruit salad, you can have it hit in any form you want. Now, it is best to serve raw, but we have other ways too we can serve it. We can serve cooked fruits, yes. You can cook your fruits, yes. Some fruits are cooked to make them more nutritious or palatable. Then it increase the quality and the quantity and it soften the cellulose. All right. So we can cook our fruits as well. We can serve it raw and they can stew our fruits. Yes. We can stew our fruit, and the last one is we can bake our fruit. Yes, yes, we can actually bake our fruit. We can stew it, and we can bake, we can cook, and we can serve raw. That is very good. Okay, now let me check if you have been listening to me. What are fruits? Can anybody tell me? Okay, these are the questions I'll be expecting you to answer. Okay, I want to tell me what are fruits. Then I also want to tell me some examples of fruit, like five of them. Then you should be able to tell me the group of fruits that I mentioned. I gave mentioned two. Then I should be able to give me some nutritional benefits of fruits, like three of them. Then what are the three fruit dishes? Okay, I told you that we can actually stew our fruit, we can bake our fruit, we can cook our fruit, and we can serve our fruit what? Raw. That's very good. Now, in conclusion, fruit represents a vital source of phytochemicals, dietary fiber, protein, carbohydrate, vitamin, carotenoids, and so on and so forth are other components of fruit. So let us ensure that our diet consists of fruits on a daily basis. Thank you so much for attending today's class. Hope to see you again some other time. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.